everyone, this is Gerald and welcome to Gadgets of Infinity. Today I'm going to be recommending the right micro SD memory card that you should be using for your GoPro cameras. But let me just give you a heads up. I don't have a GoPro camera and I have never used one. So you're not going to see here any benchmarking or actual testing of the card. And I know you're going to question the credibility of this video. You can either, just continue watching this video or browse through another video. It's okay, I understand, that's fine. But you're gonna be missing a lot of good information today if you skip this video. And why should you watch this video? It's because, man, I've sold thousands of these memory cards for more than 10 years now. And none of these customers came back to tell me that the card did not work, that the card was defective, it's not compatible. I never had this concern. Oh, I remember one. There was one customer who came back to me and asked me how to reformat the micro SD on his GoPro. I was like, okay. I googled it and YouTube it, and I was able to help him and he was very happy. See? Use these tools. We have YouTube, we have Google, we can use this. I'm sharing information, I'm sharing my knowledge based on experience of these customers, of my customers, of these people. It's a good information. You're gonna learn a lot from this video today. So please watch the whole video, and if you have questions, just comment down below. So these are the top 4 memory cards that I usually recommend to my customers. I often get asked of my customers almost every day of what micro SD card is best for their GoPro. That's why I decided to make this video to help them and of course to help you. There are a lot of considerations to take into account when choosing the best card to suit your needs. And these are capacity, write speed, reliability, and of course the cost of the card. So let's break this down a bit. When we talk about capacity, well, this is just between SDHC or Secure Digital High Capacity and SDXC or Secure Digital Extended Capacity, wherein the major difference is that SDHC are memory cards between 2 GB to 32 GB, while SDXC are memory cards from 64 GB to 2 TB. You have to take note that GoPro versions have a maximum supported capacity. Let's say for example for Hero 3 and Hero 4, the maximum supported capacity is 64 GB. Using 128 GB and above might work in some cases, but eventually the GoPro camera will start to freeze the recording or the memory card will get corrupted. I have one customer who reported that her GoPro Hero 4 overheated because she used 256 GB of memory card. She thought that the reason why her Hero 4 overheated is because she used a counterfeit memory card. Well, the problem is because she used a memory card capacity that is beyond what is advised in the user manual. So don't do that. You have to follow what's written in the user manual, and this can be downloaded in the GoPro website. While Hero 5 and Hero 7 supports a maximum of 128 GB, Hero 6 and Hero 8 and 9 supports up to 256 GB of memory card capacity. Let's now move to the write speed. According to GoPro themselves, they recommend on all of their GoPro cameras to use a Class 10 memory card. But not just Class 10 memory card. You have to take note. If you're using Hero 4 and above versions, which can capture up to 4K video resolution, you need a faster or higher write speed, and that is required to have a better performance. The Samsung Evo Plus micro SD here is 4K ready. The Lexar micro SD as well is 4K ready. SanDisk Extreme micro SD is also 4K ready. And the SanDisk Extreme Pro micro SD is also 4K ready. So all of these are 4K ready and are recommended for all GoPro Hero versions. Next is reliability. There are lots of memory card manufacturers available in the market today, but I only recommend 3 brands, and these are SanDisk, Samsung, and Lexar micro SD. I've been offering this to my customers for 10 years now, and so far all of them are happy and satisfied. These brands are reliable and durable, so I could not really ask for more. And lastly is the cost. Among the 3 brands here, the cheapest is the Lexar micro SD, next is the Samsung, Evo Plus, and then the SanDisk Extreme and SanDisk Extreme Pro micro SD. So, well, these are my top 4 picks and top 4 recommended memory cards for GoPro. The top 4 on the list is the Lexar micro SD. It's cheaper, but it offers nice features and specifications. So it offers an A1 rating or application performance rating. It offers 4K video resolution and U3 class speed V30 with a read speed of 100 Mbps and 45 Mbps write speed. So I do not offer the 64GB Lexar microSD for the newer versions of GoPro. Why? Because again, the speed is not really fast. The write speed is not really fast for the 64GB. So what I do recommend, if you're using Hero 3 and Hero 4 version of GoPros, use either the SanDisk Extreme or the SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD. And on the third spot is the Samsung Evo Plus microSD. So I offer this to my customers if they're really into, Samsung memory cards. It offers a 4K video resolution, Class 10 and UHS Class 3 speed with a read speed of 100 Mbps and 60 Mbps write speed for 128GB, 100 Mbps read speed and 90 Mbps write speed for the 256. So I also do not offer the 64GB because the write speed for the 64GB is just 20 Mbps. It's not really good. So you use either SanDisk Extreme or SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD for your Hero 4 and Hero 3 versions. And now on the second spot is the SanDisk Extreme microSD memory card. So the SanDisk Extreme memory card offers a 160 Mbps read speed and 60 Mbps write speed for the 64GB and 90 Mbps write speed for the 128GB and 256. It's also 4K ready and A2 or application performance class 2 rating as well. So this is the best memory card that you should use for your GoPro Hero cameras. This is my second top pick memory card for GoPro cameras. And on the top spot is the SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD memory card. So the 64GB and the 128GB both offer 170 Mbps read speed and 90 Mbps write speed. Both are 4K ready and UHS U3 class speed. Both are A2 application performance 2 rating as well. So this is the best memory card that you should use for your GoPro cameras. So these are my top picks for the recommended memory cards for GoPro. And these are all available in Infinity Gadgets. I'll provide the links of our store at the description portion of this video. You may also use memory cards like SanDisk Extreme Plus, Samsung Evo Select, the PNY Pro Elite, and PNY Elite X micro SD memory cards. These are also recommended. You may also use the Lexar Professional micro SD, the brown packaging. It's also recommended to use for your GoPro Hero cameras. Unfortunately, these brands and these models or versions we do not offer here in Infinity Gadgets. This is what I offer in Infinity Gadgets. And if you want to check if these memory cards are legit or authentic, I made a counterfeit check of the SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD and the Samsung Evo microSD. I've also made a review for the Lexar microSD to follow for the SanDisk Extreme microSD memory cards. These memory cards are all available in Infinity Gadgets, and all the authenticity check videos are also available in our Gadgets of Infinity page and Gadgets of Infinity YouTube channel. Okay guys, so these are my recommended memory cards for GoPro, and if you have questions for me, just comment down below. I'll definitely answer that. If you want to know where you can get a 100% legit memory card, it's available in Infinity Gadgets. You can visit and follow us at www.facebook.com/infinitygadgetsph. You may also avail this from our Shopee and Lazada stores. I'll provide the links of these stores on the description portion of this video. But please take note that this is for Philippines customers only. Did you see these hidden words? If you did, then comment down these hidden words, and if you have questions or suggestions, you can just comment it here along with the hidden words, and you'll get a chance to win 100 pesos GCash. I'll be choosing 3 lucky winners of 100 pesos GCash. So join now! If you like and learned a lot from this video today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see the latest video uploads of Gadgets of Infinity about gadgets, unboxing and reviews, product recommendation, authenticity check for memory cards and inks, and a lot more. Thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. You all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. We are currently giving away 5 pieces 50,000 mAh power bank, and if you want to know how you can get one, just watch this video and follow the instructions here. And if you want to know if our products are authentic, you can watch this authenticity playlist. I've made several videos about authenticity check for memory cards and inks.